conscious awareness of it, but also, meditation does help. I'm not a big meditator, but it's really getting in touch with that mind chatter that's getting in the way or clouding your messages. Because a lot of times we're overthinking, overanalyzing, and that just shuts down our intuition or clouds the intuition and it takes a back seat. So the more we can clear our minds from all of this mind chatter, all of this stuff that really doesn't serve us, because it really takes us in circles a lot of times, like worry doesn't do anything but get you back to the same spot you started. So it's a complete waste of time. So the more you can eliminate the mind chatter and just shut it down and be conscious and say, oh, I'm overthinking again, and shut it down, the better chance you have of having your intuition come to the surface, and you're going to get messages. You're going to start seeing synchronicities. You're going to start having all those things that are associated with being tuned in and being tuned into your intuition.